Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Topstep platform. Topstep offers a unique opportunity for aspiring traders to earn a funded account. You'll learn how to navigate their system, from understanding the initial steps to ultimately trading with their capital. We'll cover the core components that make Topstep a leading choice for many seeking to trade professionally. The Trading Combine is your pathway to a funded account. It involves specific profit targets and strict loss limits designed to test your discipline. You can choose from various account sizes, starting with $50,000, and must adhere to the scaling plan and daily loss rules. Successfully completing this phase demonstrates your readiness for live trading. Topstep provides access to professional trading platforms like TS Trader, Ninja Trader, and TradingView. These platforms offer advanced charting tools and efficient order entry methods, crucial for effective market analysis. You can also monitor your performance metrics and trading statistics in detail, helping you refine your strategies and improve your overall trading approach. Upon successfully passing the Trading Combine, you'll receive a funded account. This means you'll trade with Topstep's capital and keep a significant portion of your profits, typically 80%. Continue to develop your trading skills and strategies, leveraging the platform's resources to achieve consistent success in the markets. It's a journey of continuous learning and growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.